Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. We're on question number 12 of the 2002 Cayley competition. That's the 10th grade level math competition. And hopefully you've had a chance to take a look at question 12. And here it is. So what does it have to say? Question 12, what's it asking? A compact disc originally sells for $10. If the price of the compact disc is increased by 40%, and then this new price is later decreased by 30%, what is the final price? Okay, so there's a couple ways we can work this one out. The first way, we start with our $10, we work out what 40% of that is, and then add that on, and that's our intermediate price. Then we take that intermediate price, we work out what 30% of that is, and then we subtract that from the intermediate price to get the final price. Okay, that's one way of doing it. But there's another way we can do it involving a single calculation, and that's the one I'm going to show you here today. So we'll take a little bit of explanation. So a 40% increase on $10. Now if we're going to increase something by 40%, we still keep the $10, but we add 40% of it. And another way of saying that is we have 100% of the $10, and we add 40% of it on. We keep the original, we just add on 40%, and that's the same as saying 140%. $10. Now, the final price is a 30% decrease of the new price. But a 30% decrease, another way of saying that is we take the 100% and we subtract off the 30%. Just like here we had 100% and we added on 40 and we got 140. That's actually just going to be 70% of the new price. Okay? So putting that together, we have 70% of 140% of $10. And this is a single calculation. It's two multiplications. So if we take 70% of something, that's taking 70%. Percents are measured out of 100%. We turn it into a single fraction. And that's of 140%. And we take that out of 100%. Of our $10. The percent signs cancel out as though they were units. We keep this dollar. We're still going to have dollars here. 70 over 100, that's 7 out of 10. Times 140 over 10, that's 14 over 10, or that's 7 over 5. Times, we brought the dollar sign out already. Times $10. Well, this 10 and this 10 are going to happily cancel out. And we're going to be left with 7 times 7, that's 49 over $5. But they probably gave it to us, we'll just double check, they probably gave it to us in a nice decimal. Here we are. So let's work it out to the two decimal places that our money system works to. So I grab my calculator, 49 divided by 50. It's going to be 9.8. And we'll add on an extra 0, just because that's how our money is usually written. So $9.80. That was a single multiplication. If you weren't explaining it to someone in a video, it would have been much faster. But I had to explain where, say, the 140 and the 70% came from. There we go. That's an answer of A. So that wraps up question 12. In the next video, we're going to take a look at question number 13 on the 2002 Cayley. I hope to see you there.